Hello everybody out there. This is just a video to rub things in a little bit. I don't know how many people yesterday and the day before kept going on, it's gonna be a bad one, it's gonna be a bad one, and I said, yeah, right. Oh no, they know it, they've known it, they know it, and oh boy, it's coming, they've known it was coming for a month now, blah blah blah. Yeah, alright. Everybody's like, get your milk and bread, get your milk and bread. And I'm like, okay. And so, anyway, they said it was going to hit last night. We're going to get what? How many inches of snow?
8 inches by Sunday.
8 inches by Sunday. Well, I heard at one point it was going to be 11 inches overnight.
Yeah.
They actually canceled John's work, so he didn't get to go to work this morning, or yesterday. Yeah, today, because it was going to be too bad out. And I tell you what, I don't know how a person could even get up and down a road. There's snow on both sides of it. There it is. Here you go. Here's your storm that we were supposed to get overnight. If you can see a trace of anything at all, you've got better sight than I do. So, I wouldn't doubt it's going to snow this weekend, but I'll tell you what, I've heard, it's about like people telling you they know the date when the world's going to end. So, anyway, John and I, we're gonna go out and get something for breakfast. And for some reason, the van has decided to lock its doors on the other side. Joe, I got to unlock that. What'd you say, if there's any place open?
Yeah, because it might be stormy. It might all be closed.
Yeah, in a storm like this, everything could be closed. Oh my God. What are we, in Arkansas?
Maybe once they get it dug out, I'll try to make it back up here.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah, that is bad.
Oh, I'm glad we didn't work today.
Yeah.
We would have never made out. I've been there for years.
So, we went out to eat. I had steak and eggs. John had country fried steak and eggs. I don't know. We came back to the clubhouse, fooled around, watched the radar for a while.
Well, look how hard the wind is blowing. Look at that flag.
Yeah, see the flag are blowing?
That's a storm, bro.
And it is snowing. It's snowing right now.
Look your little roller drops here.
Yeah, well, instantly turning back to water. It's ice, isn't it?
It's ice.
Little ice pellets.
Icy, yeah.
Little ice pellets are hitting the van.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Or truck or whatever that thing is.
I gotta run up and open up the National Guard Armory and get them going.
Yeah, better.
Oh, this is terrible.
John's trying to make a hasty retreat out of here. He's getting scared. So.
Yeah, I gotta get the National Guards on this thing.
You better get the National something or others. Well, I'll see you later. We're going in here to relative safety. Oh my God. Supposed to get cold tonight, I guess. I don't know. We'll keep an eye on it.